Have you ever wondered what the nighttime sky, with all its starry wonder, would look like as a flower? If so, check out the Headliner Night Sky Petunia. The Night Sky Petunias produce velvety purple blooms scattered with twinkly white splotches that will remind you of the constellations and galaxies far, far away, and its flowers offer sugary nectar that hummingbirds and butterflies will love too. These petunia plants grow to a mature height of 16 inches tall, spread 30 inches wide, and can be trimmed back to ensure new growth and a bushier look. If you want to grow Headliner Night Sky Petunia plants to their full potential, follow these easy growing tips. First, grow your petunias in a spot that receives 6 or more hours of sunshine a day. They love sunshine. Second, fertilize your Headliner Night Skies on a weekly basis. Dark green leaves are happy leaves. Lastly, keep your flowers well watered and make sure your soil is able to drain well. Sitting water will not be your friend. A bonus tip for growing happy, healthy night sky petunia plants is to deadhead on a weekly basis to ensure plenty of new blooms all season long.